Did you know you can grow fresh, juicy fruit right on your balcony, even without a garden? Yep, fruit shrubs don't need acres of land. With the right pot and care, you can enjoy berries, citrus, and even figs from your patio or windowsill. If you love the idea of picking your own fruit but don't have space for a big garden, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 10 amazing fruit shrubs that thrive in pots. They're beautiful, productive, and perfect for small spaces. Stick around till the end because I've got a few pro tips to keep your potted fruit shrubs healthy all year long. Alright, let's jump right into it. 1. Blueberries. A must-have for any container gardener. Blueberries love acidic soil, so grab a mix made for azaleas or rhododendrons. Choose compact varieties like Top Hat or Jelly Bean, which grow great in pots. Remember, they need 2 different varieties for cross-pollination, so plant at least 2. Bonus: they turn fiery red in autumn, so they double as an ornamental plant. 2. Strawberries. Who doesn't love fresh strawberries? They grow fast, look cute, and do well in hanging baskets or shallow containers. Varieties like Albion or Evia 2 give fruit almost all year in warm climates. In cooler areas, protect them from frost and you'll still get sweet harvest from spring to fall. Tip: snip off the runners if you want bigger berries. 3. Dwarf raspberry shrubs. Modern varieties like raspberry shortcake are made for pots. They're thornless, compact, and don't need staking. A sunny spot and regular watering will give you juicy berries in midsummer. Perfect for balconies and patios, no sprawling canes taking over your space. 4. Blackberries. You might think blackberries are wild and messy, but dwarf types are super well behaved. Try baby cakes, a container-friendly variety that fruits twice a year. They love full sun and slightly moist soil. Plus, you'll get those glossy dark berries without worrying about invasive roots. 5. Gooseberries. Totally underrated. Gooseberries are tough, cold-hardy, and thrive in pots. The Invicta or Hanmin Maki red varieties are great for containers. They don't mind partial shade and give you tangy fruit for pies, jams, or snacking straight from the bush. 6. Dwarf fig trees. Figs in pots? Absolutely. Dwarf types like Little Miss Figgy or Petite Negra do beautifully in containers. They love sunlight and warmth, so place them where they can soak up at least 6 hours a day. Bonus: they go dormant in winter, so you can move the pot indoors or to a sheltered area. 7. Dwarf citrus shrubs. If you've always wanted your own lemon or orange tree, this is your sign. Varieties like Improved Meyer Lemon, Calamandan Orange, or Dwarf Lime are perfect for pots. They do well in bright light and bring that amazing citrus scent indoors during winter. As of 2025, many gardeners use LED grow lights to keep them thriving even in cooler months, and it works wonders. 8. Currants. Currants are super easy to grow and tolerate cooler climates. They fruit on old wood, so prune lightly after harvest. The Ben Sarek and Pink Champagne varieties stay compact and give loads of berries for jellies and juices. They can handle partial shade too, great for city balconies. 9. Dwarf mulberries. Yes, you can grow mulberries in pots. The dwarf ever-bearing mulberry is a small shrub that produces sweet berries from spring through fall. It's fast-growing and perfect for beginners. You might have to fight the birds for the fruit, but it's worth it. 10. Pomegranate shrubs. A showstopper plant. Compact types like Nana or Red Lady are made for containers. They love heat and sunshine and produce gorgeous flowers followed by mini pomegranates. They're drought-tolerant once established, so perfect for busy gardeners or hot climates. Bonus tips. Before you rush to the garden center, here are a few quick tips. Use large pots. Fruit shrubs like space, at least 30 to 40 centimeters deep for roots. Add compost regularly. Potted plants need nutrients more often than those in the ground. Water consistently. Don't let the soil dry completely, especially when fruits are forming. Feed monthly during growing season with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer. Winter care. Move pots to sheltered spots or wrap them in burlap to protect roots. Fun fact: a 2025 study by the Royal Horticultural Society found that potted fruit shrubs not only produce well but also improve local biodiversity. Bees and butterflies love their blooms. And there you have it to 10 of the best fruit shrubs you can grow in pots. You don't need a big yard, just a few pots, some sunshine, and a bit of love. Which of these would you like to grow first? Blueberries, figs, or maybe pomegranates? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple gardening tips every week. Until next time, happy planting, and may your pots always be full of fruit.